It's the middle of your workday and you've hit that wall. Your energy has completely flatlined. Every little task feels like it's climbing a mountain, and the thought of making it to 5 o'clock feels impossible. You know you need to rest, but you can't exactly take a nap at your desk, right? It's this frustrating, lonely cycle of pushing through until you eventually crash. But what if there was a way to help you regain some energy in just a few minutes without even leaving your chair? Let's talk about the simple science-backed practice of micro-resting. It's helping so many people with chronic illness manage their energy and get their day back. If you're tired of being stuck in a never-ending cycle of exhaustion, this video will teach you a few simple techniques that you can use to start retraining your brain for more energy. So what exactly is this idea of micro-resting? Don't worry, it's not about finding time for long naps or taking big chunks of time off. It's the practice of taking very short, intentional breaks. We're talking anywhere from 30 seconds to just a few minutes to help your nervous system, your brain, and your body recover just a little bit of energy in real time. For those with chronic illness, energy is often incredibly limited. Think of your energy like a phone battery that starts the day off maybe at 40% and it drains super fast. If you wait until it's at 1% to recharge, a total shutdown is pretty much guaranteed. Micro resets are like plugging in your phone for just a few minutes several times a day. It's not going to get you back to 100%, but it can give you just enough charge to keep you going without a crash. This isn't just a nice idea to help you feel better. There's real biology at play here. Chronic illness and stress can keep our bodies stuck in a state of high alert, that classic fight or flight mode, which is constantly burning through our precious energy. Micro rests work by flipping that switch and activating the opposite system, the rest and digest or parasympathetic nervous system. When you take a 60-second break to breathe deeply, you can help lower your stress hormones like cortisol, which are often running high when you're dealing with chronic fatigue. That very brief pause gives your brain a chance to reset, which can actually improve your focus and cut through that overwhelming brain fog. In fact, research shows that taking these tiny breaks can actually significantly boost feelings of vigor and help reduce fatigue. You're basically using your brain's ability to wire itself, which is something called neuroplasticity, to teach your body that it's safe to power down and conserve energy, even in the middle of a busy day. And the best part about all of this is how simple it really is to do. So here's a few micro resets that you can try right now at your desk in under a couple of minutes. First up is the 60-second breathing reset. This is probably the fastest way to activate your rest and digest system. Just sit comfortably, close your eyes, and if it feels good, just inhale slowly for a count of 4. Hold that breath for a count of 2, and then exhale slowly for a count of 6. That longer exhale is the secret sauce here. Repeat this 3 to 5 times. That is it. You've just sent a powerful signal of safety to your nervous system in under 2 minutes. Next, we're going to try the physical reset pose. Sitting still for too long can really drain our energy and it can make discomfort worse. So we're going to do something about that. Whilst you're sitting, just extend one leg straight out until it's parallel with the floor and pull your toes back towards you. Hold it for 5 to 10 seconds and then release. And now do it on the other leg. Once you've done that, we're going to sit up really straight and squeeze our shoulder blades together like we're trying to hold a pencil between them. And just hold that for around 10 seconds and release. That little bit of movement gets circulation going and helps to release any tension. And then I just want to talk about the micro mindfulness moment. Brain fog can feel like the worst. And to help clear it, we're going to ground ourselves in the present. Just take 90 seconds and simply notice with no judgment 3 things that you can see around you, 3 things that you can hear, and 3 things that you can physically feel. And this might be your feet on the floor or the texture of your shirt on your skin. This simple act pulls you out of that stressful loop of thoughts and brings you into the calm, present moment. If these ideas are clicking for you and you want more strategies for managing your life with chronic illness, go ahead, hit that subscribe button. And remember, knowing these techniques is one thing, but actually remembering to use them is a whole other challenge, right? And the goal here is to reset before you hit that wall. And the easiest way to start this is to try something like a Pomodoro technique. So you might work for 25 minutes and then take a 5-minute micro rest. You could also just set a quiet alarm on your phone or watch for every hour or so, just as a gentle nudge to do a breathing reset or a quick stretch. Start small, really start small. Just pick one technique and try to do it 2 or 3 times during your workday. Over time, you're going to build a powerful habit that helps you manage your energy proactively instead of reacting to fatigue. This isn't about adding another stressful thing on your to-do list. It's about finding a sustainable way to move through your day with more energy. We're going to do a quick recap. We talked about how to use tiny strategic breaks or micro resets, and these can help you recover your energy throughout the day. We learned 3 simple techniques that you can use anywhere. So a breathing reset, a physical reset pose, and then a micro mindfulness moment. And we talked about how to start making this a real habit by scheduling in these pauses throughout your day. Living with chronic illness is incredibly difficult, but you are not powerless. By building these small moments into your life, you are actively retraining your brain and body for more energy and resilience. You're taking back control 1 minute at a time. Thank you for watching. Please be gentle with yourself. And if you'd like to know more about Reorigin, head to our website today.